What you see behind me here is called meditation art. Now, when Sonja created that, she had no idea what the picture was going to be, but in her form of pouring paint and allowing it to flow, the pictures created themselves. Now, for some people, this is just obscure abstract art, but for other people who have more experience with it and are able to see what all appears, there comes the greater question of how do these pictures actually come out? So when we have different workshops and Sonja shows people how to create their own abstract art, it's interesting to watch as people discover what's possible just through a bit of instruction and allowing themselves to connect with their spirit and just enjoy a few hours of seeing what's possible when you're trying something that you've never tried before. Business is the same way. There's many things that are hidden, that are abstract for people, but once they have the guidance from people that know how to build business, then it becomes a lot easier. Where are you on your journey today? Is everything abstract and looking really vague and uncertain? Or do you have clarity of purpose, clarity of what you're doing, and certainty about where you're going? Enjoy your day.